I'll get it ready, and you see a lot of things you don't know about me, you will know in that video. So don't worry, stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today just a kitchen video. So guys, I'm still working on my Port Harcourt wedding video. Like, I have so much video, I don't know the one to choose, so I'm just taking my time. So maybe by weekend or before that time I'll get it ready, and you see a lot of things you don't know about me, you will know in that video. So don't worry, stay tuned, always be here. If you're just joining me for the first time, this is my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have been here all the time, thank you. Like I always say, if you don't like me, you will not keep watching my videos. So I appreciate you for always coming back to see what I do here. If you don't appreciate me, you will not be here. So I appreciate you too. Thank you. So guys, let's just go straight to the point. Today I went to shop for fish and meat, and I saw a fish I've not seen before. Maybe you have been seeing it, you have been, or maybe I don't know, but it's my first time of seeing it. I saw a Saithe fish, so I just bought little of it, and I said, okay, let me just do a sauce, tomato sauce with it. So let me see how it will turn out. I don't know if it's going to be sweet. There are some fish that are not sweet. You have to sauce them very well, you understand? So this particular one, I don't know. I'm just going to try my luck, and I know that it will definitely come out well. If you know how to cook, there's nothing you cannot combine. So today guys, it's going to be a Saithe fish tomato sauce. So enjoy and watch how I'm going to combine and making sense out of the fish I just got to know about, you understand? Got the kilo of the fish for 800 naira at the place I buy my things. The kilo of the fish is 800 naira. So, and 2 kilo is 1.6. So this is Saithe fish, and this is what I'm going to use. This is what I'm going to use. So you can see the fish. I don't know, maybe because it brings out water. You can see, maybe because it was blocked before bought it. It was in the freezer, maybe that's why it's bringing water. So it's defrozen, and I've washed it anyway. So this is what we need: green pepper, onions, carrots. Oh, pardon me, I don't know what it's called in English. This is tatase. And tomato. This is the seasoning I'm going to use. This lasso. It comes out nice in any food I put it there, so I'm going to use it. Then this is the seasoning, the salt, small pepper, because I love my food peppery. So I'll add this pepper. I don't want to use the fresh pepper. I'll add this one to it, you understand? So let's just get straight to the. So guys, just pardon the voice there. My children are doing their extra lessons, and their teacher is around, so he's teaching them, and they are doing pronunciation today. So that is why you can hear the small little voices. So guys, I'll just for it to be a little bit sweet, I'll not. Five minutes. We leave it for. My camera is. I don't know how to set the camera. I'm tired because it's only me that can do it. My children can't do it for me. They're doing their lessons. So this is enough. This is enough. So the first thing to put is onions, because there's this taste onions when onions is fried a little, there's this taste it drops into the oil and it gives the food one kind of taste. Put the Saithe.